Chad Mudd, Newland Real Estate. Mud Knows Dirt is my logo. I'm a local realtor, been here 10 years, but I grew up in Denton, born and raised. So met Scott through the Realtor Association. We became friends and here we are. Biggest thing was probably to make my wife happy, and she is, but enlarge the shower a bit and have a tub that was more comfortable and attractive and modernize. That was the biggest trick was Scott and his staff helping my wife pick out the things that brought it back up to date. We were a almost 20-year-old house. He's done a great job. The tile to match the floor, the differences in the grout, Scott and his staff really helped us with that. But also the cabinetry and all the hardware and everything that goes into it. The fixtures, these fixtures that was a 2 or 3 hour day, a couple different times trying to figure out what we liked best, whether it was black or whether it was bronze or whether it was, we picked, this is brushed nickel, I think. Yeah. Right? Okay. Anyway, turned out great. Kristen really loves it. I really love it. So I would say the main reason I hired Scott is I wanted somebody that could handle the buffer between me and Kristen, the decisions, but mainly staff it with people that we knew were tradesmen, that knew would do a good job, and somebody that I could hold accountable. Scott would always answer the phone. He was great to deal with, always positive, always had a solution to a problem. For instance, when we cut the concrete right here, there's a post-tension cable right in the middle where the tub drain was gonna be. And Scott and his plumbers came in, solved that problem real quick. Always had a really positive attitude, and the guys that he has working for him are top notch. They're studs. They're experienced. You can see by the craftsmanship. The last time we had this shower done, we paid a local company to do it, and this was off by almost 1/4 of an inch. You can see here everything's perfectly matched, everything's sized right, everything's installed. I mean, exceptional work.
If you have a project you'd like to discuss, give us a call. We'll help make your dream come true.